What's happening, good people? I'll go by the name Phoenix Flame. I'm a music producer, and today I'm back with a new Amapiano tutorial. Yes, I'm back again, guys. Anyway, I have a project opened up. I'm actually working on this right now. I'm busy recording my vocals on this. But anyway, what I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna show what I did on the beat. It's just an aggressive, like Vigro / Kabza MFL soul type of beat. Has that soulful touch on it. It has the aggressiveness. Let me play you what I have, then we get straight into it. This is what I have so far. Yes, you get the idea of what I'm going for. Anyway, first things first, let's start with this. The key of the beat is E flat minor. So this is what I have. These are my keys. Use Keyzone. It's a free plugin. You can download it. Just search Keyzone, guys. It's Keyzone. Then from there, did couple of drums. Just open this partner. Switch off the rest. Keep the log drum and everything. Okay, these are my drums. Okay. And we have the log drum here. So this is like the low octave log drum. Then we have the high one. Then is the tremolo signal from Purity. So it's just a fifth chord. So what else do we have? This is like the simplest beat that I ever did. We have some snares. This is the pattern for the snares. The snares are layered with the rim shot. And the log drum. Then we have this 4x4 kick. Just the bass standard kick. Then some percussions from Arcade. Then some saxophones. Then the special transition effect, that Vigro transition. Where it is? Here we go. Select drum. Then that's about it. Like, that's literally everything that I did on the song. Then you can just play the song from. If you have questions, you can holler at me on my Instagram. Then, or inbox me. I leave my email all the time on the call. Just holler at me on my email. I can help you with any project that you have. And give this video a like, a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel. Peace. I'm signing out.